Good morning and welcome everyone. Today I have come up with few important points which are needed to add in our conversation or English conversation so that whenever we speak English it will be very good for us. I am going to discuss few important points. Even after learning English language we lack these points, and due to that only whenever we speak it doesn't give soothing effect. I am telling you that when you follow these rules in your conversation, in your English conversation, you would see the remarkable change, because these points are very important. So without wasting your more time, let's dive in. First point is rate of speech. Rate of speech. What does mean by rate of speech? Rate of speech का मीनिंग होता है जब कभी भी आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग करते हैं तो आप अपने नॉर्मल रिदम से कभी बहुत ज़्यादा हाइपर हो जाते हैं, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन हो जाते हैं, राइट? देयर आर टू रीजन्स. व्हाट आर द रीजन्स? फर्स्ट रीज़न इज दैट व्हेनेवर यू फील ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस you start speaking very fast, and the second reason is that whenever we feel nervous, whenever we feel less confidence, we start speaking very slow and we feel nervousness, right? So this is something we need to understand. So when you try to maintain the rhythm, when you want to maintain the rate of speech, when you try to speak English or any other language, you need to keep one thing in your mind, that feel free. When you speak anything, feel free, because when you feel free you will be able to convey your words and speeches properly. Getting my points? So the thing is that we need to understand that when you speak in front of the position of authority, we feel hesitation. So by the time you just need to feel free, think that I am the best in my eyes, and when you try to speak, feel free and try to speak in your normal rhythm, in your normal rate of speech, so that you will not increase your rate of speech, and the chances are too less that you will commit basic grammatical mistakes too. So I do request you, when you speak in front of the senior, in front of the junior, try to feel free and speak whatever you want, and don't think that you are going to be judged, right? When you remove this particular thing from your mind, that I am not going to be judged, you will not commit mistakes, you will not feel hesitation, and your rate of speech will be wonderful. This is something we need to understand. Okay, there are certain points we need to take care of so that we can easily understand how to maintain rate of speech. First and foremost thing, that we need to understand how do you speak, right? So I am suggesting you one thing to do at home: speak in front of the mirror, or it will be better that you speak in front of the camera. So speak in front of the camera and listen to yourself again and again, and you can justify yourself that what is the quality of your communication and what is your rate of speech, and later on you can rectify yourself. One more idea which I want to suggest you in front of the public, for public speaking, for speech and all, you are going to address the people, then try to prepare yourself. When you prepare yourself for that particular thing, do revision for that, and revision plays the vital role when you do anything. So when you start speaking in front of the public, you feel hesitation, sometimes you forget few things. So the next idea, that try to revise at home, practice at home, practice in front of few people, so that when you stand before more than 50 or 100 people, you are not going to commit so many mistakes. I am going to discuss that how to speak crystal clear, that voice tonality and speaking quality should be better, right? So when you speak English, you should sound crystal clear, right? जब कभी भी आप इंग्लिश बोलें तो आप साफ इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करें, because जब आप कोई भी वर्ड को, किसी भी वर्ड्स को साफ नहीं बोलते हैं तो ना ये बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, ना ही लिसनर को अच्छा लगता है वर्ड्स आपके और या फिर सेंटेंसेस आपके सुनने में. So here I am gonna share some lucrative ideas to improve your tonal quality so that you can cleanse your tongue to speak English words properly, right? For that I am sharing you few ideas. That first one is that make sure that you are breathing properly, right? Before speaking and when you speak in front of the public, we don't breathe properly, right? So when you are going to speak in front of position of authority, try to take a long or deep breath at least 3 times before speaking, right? Sometimes or most of the time we take shallow breath. तो शैलो ब्रेथ जब आप लेते हैं, डीप ब्रेथ नहीं लेते हैं, तो क्या होता है ना, स्पीकिंग के वक्त ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. समटाइम्स आप क्लियर और अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाते हैं. Next point, to speak crystal clear, that make sure that your mouth is empty. Your mouth is empty. When your mouth is empty, you will be able to pronounce the words properly. And when you are able to pronounce the words of English properly, it sounds crystal clear. That we want. And try to understand कि जब कभी भी आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उस वक्त आपके मुंह में कुछ भी चीज़ें नहीं रहनी चाहिए. समटाइम्स आप कुछ खाते खाते अगर कुछ बात करेंगे तो वर्ड्स क्लियर नहीं आते हैं, तो आप ना सही से बोल पाएंगे, ना किसी को सही से आपकी बातें समझ में आएगी, राइट? नेक्स्ट थिंग विच वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ व्हेन वी स्पीक इंग्लिश, व्हेनेवर वी ट्राई टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, स्पीक रियली स्लो. When you speak slow, that chances are very less that you will commit mistakes in grammar, you will commit mistakes in pronunciation. So you don't need to hurry or run after the words. When you speak English, try to speak slow. Maintain the slow rhythm. When you speak slow, you feel calm. When you feel calm, you speak properly. So try to understand कि जब आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करें तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट बोलने की कोशिश ना करें. स्पीकिंग फास्ट इट डजंट मीन दैट द फ्लुएंसी ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, राइट? पॉइंट नंबर 3 विच आई एम गोना डिस्कस हियर, इवन इफ यू स्पीक इंग्लिश वी कमिट दिस मिस्टेक ऑल्सो. द मिस्टेक इज व्हेन वी स्पीक इंग्लिश, sometimes people or sometimes our sir, teacher ask random questions or extempore type questions. They ask random questions, they are general questions, but we are unable to speak at the same time. We feel nervous. Why? Because if someone asks random or direct question without preparation, it is difficult to speak. So I am giving you few techniques to get rid of these problems. So the technique number 1 is that when you want to speak English on any random topic anywhere, you must have knowledge, right? Because only if you are being able to speak English, it is not sufficient. You ought to have knowledge as well. So when you have knowledge, at the same time you are able to speak English, you will be able to speak on any random topic properly, right? So my idea to share with you that when you try to practice for English communication, at the same time try to read some novels, some magazines, try to connect yourself with daily news so that you gain knowledge, you inculcate few knowledge or something in your mind, so that when you try to speak on any random topic, you will be able to speak something. For an example, if you ask me, sir, tell me something about our country India, I know how to speak, but if I don't know something about India, that India's prime minister, India's geographical structure, India's physical structure and all, or few more thing about India, then how can I speak? So first and foremost thing that along with learning or practicing English, you ought to have knowledge on particular thing. So in order to improve or gain knowledge in something, you have to read at least 30 minutes every single day, whether it is newspaper, novel, any book or GK book, any other thing, but read those things in English language, so that you can improve your English, at the same time you can improve your knowledge, right? So that you can kill two birds with a single stone. Last but not the least, that how to avoid common mistakes of grammar, right? When we speak English, when we try to convey our words or speeches in front of anyone, we commit a lot many mistakes without reason, even if we know that what is correct and what is not correct, but when we speak English we commit mistakes. So first thing is that practice. How to get rid of this problem? Practice. You try to practice as much as possible. Try to speak English everywhere as much as possible. Try to speak or try to make some sentences, a lot many sentences according to your topics. So when you speak, when you make so many sentences in English language, when you translate so many sentences in English language, you see that you are not committing mistakes like before. So first solution is that try to make so many sentences or as much as you possible. Second idea, that you can get rid of basic grammatical mistakes when you speak English. Read out. When you read something, that you see the sentence structuring pattern. When you see the sentence structuring pattern, you can understand what sort of mistakes that I do and what sort of mistakes we should not do while speaking. So when you read basic books, story books, or even children's book, you will be able to get rid of this problem. Last idea, it is very important and lucrative idea, which is listen to the podcast, listen to the senior speaker, listen to the celebrities in YouTube, so that you can improve your pronunciation. At the same time, you will not commit so many mistakes or basic mistakes of grammar. Listen to English as much as possible. So when you start listening, जब आप सुनना शुरू करेंगे तो आप क्या करते हैं कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें ग्रैब करना शुरू करेंगे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इनकलकेट करना शुरू करेंगे, तो आप एक हैबिट में और एक इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश में जीने लगेंगे, इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश अपने आप क्रिएट होने लगेगा। तो क्या होगा कि ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स काफ़ी कम होने लगेंगे और एट द सेम टाइम आप प्रैक्टिस तो करते ही हैं सेंटेंस बनाने की और स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश करने की, राइट। तो आप इस बात को समझ लें कि ये जो बेसिक आइडियाज़ मैंने शेयर किए हैं, तो आप इस पर्टिकुलर जो सेशन है इसको आप रिपीट करने के लिए वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं, जो मैंने कुछ सॉल्यूशंस यहाँ बताए हैं। एंड लेटर ऑन इफ़ यू अप्लाई दोज थिंग इन योर टॉक, you will sound very perfect. So guys, kindly watch our videos in order to get rid of these sort of problems, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.